most often when we see color, we sometimes, and especially when I say we, in the beginning part of my journey, I looked at color more than value. And that's a big mistake, because color is, we can argue about color, temperature a little bit here and there, but value is definitely more black and white, no pun intended, but it's more, there's not much argument with color. I'm sorry, not much argument with value versus color. We can also talk about design, which is very, very important too. Actually, that precedes anything else. But in this video, I want to talk about value and how to get that into color. This is an image that I took. I think it's from Montana, but this is the way I'm going to show you right now how I see and how most good artists see before they begin. And the reality is that this is how I see things, like this. I see things as shapes and 3 to 4 values. This is broken down to 4 values right now, okay? This is how I see things before I begin. Now, not in the literal sense, of course. I don't have a magic button to turn my a filter on in front of my eye, but when I squint down, color tends to go away for the most part, not disappear completely, but reduced a great amount, and this is what I see. The second step after that, this is what I see right here. I'm still in the value stage, but here I'm breaking it out to 3 to 4 values. That's it. That's what most paintings consist of, 3 to 4 values. If you're going to have too many values in there, it's going to get too fragmented. Right here, and then finally, this is it. This is what obviously my eye sees when I open it up. And this, of course, could be, the sky could be more cooler, warmer. You can play with those things, but the reality, the most important part is that we need to see first in these big shapes like this, all right? And then we take it further. There's more values here in this one. This has probably hundreds of small value changes, but this is the big one here, breaking it out to 3 to 4 values, maybe 5, but I would say 3 to 4 values. Most landscape paintings tend to be in. And then finally, I see the color. And if you look at things like this first, and then open your eye further as the painting develops, you'll see color more. It doesn't matter if you're standing there from life or looking at photographs. But why don't you squint down right now when you look at this? Just really squint down hard. And let me switch over to the keep squinting. Don't stop squinting. Keep squinting. And then I'm going to go to black and white, and I'm going to go to the values, the 3 to 4 values, and keep squinting. See that? It's literally stays in that spectrum for the most part. It's not changing dramatically at all. I mean, the computer might read it just a hair differently, but for the most part, it's as I'm switching, from color to, as you just make sure you keep squinting. I'll keep switching, but it stays for the most part the same. And what's so great about squinting, it gets rid of detail. I do not want to see detail. That's a big part of this too. I don't want to see detail in the beginning whatsoever. All right. I hope this video has helped you. This is how you need to see as a painter if you want to move to that next level.